Hello everybody. Today I am conducting class 6 geography second chapter second part. Okay, again I am repeating, I am conducting class 6 geography second chapter second part, and today I will teach you about the importance of the ozone layer. Last day we have learned up to ozonosphere. Again I want to recapitulate what we have learned last day, that is the five important layers of our atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, then mesosphere, then ionosphere, and then the last one is exosphere. Okay, so today we will learn more about the ozonosphere. Last day we have learned the upper layer of the stratosphere is known as ozonosphere. So what is the importance of the ozone gas? We all know that it helps us to protect from the very poisonous ultraviolet ray, because day by day if the gas continuously is coming inside our earth, and as a result we all know that the temperature is continuously increasing, the ice caps are already started to melt, because if the continuously that if the icebergs will melt, as a result the what will happen, ultimately the water level will increase. The coastal region, especially Kolkata is only above like 10 to 12 kilometer from the 10 to 12 meter from the sea level. So if continuously the water level will increase, all the coastal region will be inside the sea, ocean. Okay, so it's really a dreadful challenge for us to protect our earth, to make our earth as a green earth. Now you can see, even when we are purchasing refrigerator, there it was given one sign that one holding hands and holding our earth and written down that go green or CFC free. Why? These are the tags they are using. Because of this reason, that continuously using of this tag denotes that we should use these kinds of things for maintaining the balance of our earth. Okay, maintaining the balance of our earth. So now I want to recap, now I want to introduce the importance of the ozone layer. What is the importance of ozone layer? Ozone layer always helps us to protect from the ultraviolet ray. Now what are the negative points? Continuously depletion of the ozone layer. First of all, definitely skin disease continuously coming inside that dreadful, this bad UV ray or any kinds of short wavelength ray that results in what? Results in skin disease, skin cancer. Continuously we see that now we are suffering from various kinds of skin disease. Cause is this. Secondly, infertility. Day by day infertility is increasing. That is not a good sign. Population will be in a question mark on the next 2 decades. So that is also will be, not only that, even that birth of many, like for birth of a healthy child we need a green earth. That is also one important thing. Challenges for the marine life. Marine life, many species, many animal species continuously just depleting from this earth because of this ultraviolet ray. So we have to protect our earth from these ultraviolet ray and protect the ozone layer. And the most important thing is that we have to consider our earth as a green earth. And if we consider our earth a green earth, then we have to maintain that thing, that we have to plant many more trees. We have to control using of these kinds of that should be any kinds of electronic products which are emitting CFCs, or we have to purchase CFC free electronic products. Okay, next most important thing, how we will do all these things. We have to be very conscious. We have to be very conscious. And while we are purchasing all these kinds of things, we have to be very conscious that these things is free, CFC free or not. We have to notice that. So now I want to discuss about ozone hole. What is ozone hole? Very easy, very important thing. What is ozone hole? If you see that ozone, O3, it is the accumulation of oxygens. Okay, O3, O plus O plus O. So O3, what happened when that CFC, just when upper side of the atmosphere, when we see that CFC, then what happened, that CFC, the chlorine divide that ozone bondage and make it at O2 and O. Okay, as continuously O2 and O, that means there is a hole in ozone, and that kinds of hole force specially to get inside that small wavelength like ultra ray, gamma ray, UV ray. Continuously they are getting inside of our earth, and when they getting inside of our earth, these are the short wavelength. But from the earth, surface of the earth, when they reflect, it become a long wavelength. Then it was completely impossible for that wavelength to came outside of its atmosphere. Ultimately, again it reflect, again it came down, again it reflect, became the long wavelength. Like this way, like continuously reflection, continuously doing this, ultimately the temperature of the earth is continuously increasing. Okay, and these kinds of thing is also known as greenhouse effect, because in the polar region or in the mountainous region, if you will visit Kalimpong, if you will visit Karshiang, you will get to visit that cactus garden. In that cold temperature, how the cactus garden will flourish? Because of this, because they are using the greenhouse effect. There they are making that glass house. From the glass house, the short wavelength can easily get inside, but it cannot go outside. Ultimately, if the outside temperature is like 10 degree to 12 degree, but the inside temperature is above 20 degree Celsius, so ultimately it boosts up the cactus to bring up. Okay, like that same thing happen in our earth. Our earth is that glass house, and continuously short wavelength getting inside from the ozone hole, and it couldn't get outside. Ultimately the temperature of the earth is continuously increasing. So we should keep these things in our mind. Now you will learn these up from ozonosphere to ozone depletion, ozone hole, causes, effects of the ozone depletion. You will learn it from your book. I am providing few notes. Just click the down arrow. Okay, from there you will get that notes. You will learn that thing even at your home and recapitulate all these things. Next class we will continue with global warming, and I will provide you the notes. Okay, so just again I am telling you, what will you do? You will read from your book and learn about ozonosphere, causes of the ozone depletion, ozone hole, and what now I taught. Even you will get it from the given link. Click it and get it and note down it in your CW copy. Next day we will continue the global warming, and I will provide you the question answers. Okay, and all the question answer you will copy down in your CW copy. Till then, bye bye and be safe. Stay at your home. Don't go outside. Bye.